Good morning. Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, March 20th, 2023. My name is Robert Roy. Let's go ahead and jump right in. It is great to be back, folks, after a week off from last week. And we are ready to rock on like Donkey Kong, baby. So keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the various social platforms that we have out there. Keep up with the latest and greatest that we're putting out there day in and day out. Make sure you go to tradinglikeaboss.com where you will find all of our free content, including the free trainings you do, like the one coming up today at noon, which is called Power Hour. It's a free 1-hour live training that we do every Monday where we go over and analyze the markets. We see what's happened already for the day, what stocks we're already looking at, and how we're looking to trade the rest of the day. All right? From there, let's go ahead and take a look at economic reports. None today, but remember, we've got the Fed on Wednesday. Keep that in mind, all right? I want to look at pre-market and see what is going on with futures. So I was watching ES last evening, right out of the gate. I was talking about this on an update that I did earlier. And we got a quick little bounce yesterday on the ES, and then we just fell apart at 1 o'clock in the morning, at, what is this, 11 o'clock at night? No, 8 o'clock at night. We just fell apart last evening then, just collapsed. And where's European market? Let's see, European is going to be right about that 2:30 or so. We got the announcement about UBS and Credit Suisse, and we got a little bit of a climb from there. Still not looking very strong with that rounding top on the ES, right? But futures, we're down 3.5 on the ES, 25 on the YM down, NASDAQ's down 7, 8.5 now. RUT's up 5, but they had a massive hit last week. Bitcoin, woo, 28K, baby. Where are you going to put your money? Not the banks, right? Ethereum's up $31 to almost $1,800. Gold is up 13. Crude is down to under $66 a share. That is awesome. All right, let's go take a look at our candidates for today. Let me bring my option chain back up. And here we go. So we're going to start off with the S&P 500. Let's go over to our template, which has moving averages on there. And let's take a look from that perspective. All right, we can get that orange bar out of there. So bearish move overall as we pushed up on Thursday. Friday we failed. We're looking at 38.66 as our next downside target. We now have a lower high that was put in. We want to see if we're going to violate that lower low. I still believe we can retest those 37.64.49 level, but it all depends what the Fed does on Wednesday. All right, so Chipotle Mexican Grill, not a big move for them, but they did get an upgrade. They're up $1 right now, $1.16, which puts them at 16.10 even. So really not that big of a move. We're going to look at bull put spread below 1,600. All right, that's the first one. KRTX. KRTX, they're up $28 a share, monthly options only. They got an upcoming drug trial approval, so for the trial. So they're up $28 a share right now, puts them at, let's call it 220. If we kind of back that out a little bit, see, you can see they've already had some massive moves, and then they've just been waiting. So 220 puts them up in this range here. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 208. At Meta, they got an upgrade today. It wasn't a big name, but they got an upgrade today. They're up, now it's only 66 cents. But it puts them at 196.27 right now. So 196.25. So we're right up at that level. All right, so here's what I want to see. Stock details. I want the stock to get above 201. Then a pullback to the 200. Then we'll do a bull put spread below 197. But I need something to happen first. It's got to move. All right, PACW. They are a bank. That's all that matters today on the heels of Credit Suisse and UBS. They are a $10.91 bank. They're up $1.64. I don't normally look at stocks this low a price, but they're up above $10.92. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 10.5. All right, and PepsiCo got an upgrade today. Also, it wasn't a big name. They're up $1.27, which puts them at 176.40. So we're going to look at a bull put spread. We got halves, but only on 2.5s, not $0.5 increments on the option. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 173. Yeah. Bull put spread below 173, which puts us at the 172.5. All right, and last is WAL. Right, they are up $2.38. Also a bank, Western Bank, Alliance Bancorp. Weekly options on those. You can see the really nice bounce in there. We're sitting at 33.70 right now. We're just above that 33.67, 23.33, $10. We don't need a fib in there. That's just it. So, guys, you know, I can't get real excited about this because of how we're right at resistance right now. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a bull put spread below. Actually, no. Let's do a move on the stock first. I want the stock above 35. Then a pullback to that 33.5 level. Then a bull put spread below 33.5. All right. Fantastic. So listen, don't forget, go ahead over to tradinglikeaboss.com. Click on the Power Hour in the upper left side of the list. That is the free training that we're doing today. Tomorrow I have another free training called Key to Be Free. If you want to know what it takes to be free, what it takes to do the things necessary to get you to the goals you're looking for in the market, you need to be at this training. I do it one time a year. This is it. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you at our next update. Bye.